Doing?
I'm good. How's everything with you? How was
Can't
the market
complain.
behind me?
We'll get into it. Sounds okay. All right, sweet. Sorry, the headphones was blocking the sound. What did you say, Asim?
I was asking you how much money you made when I was not in Canada.
I think I'm in the same boat with everyone else. It's not how much we made, but how much we're losing. Yeah.
Tell me what is going on with the builders right now.
Yeah. It's well, I think I don't know. When was the last time we went live? A few months ago.
Yes,
It's
been a couple of months
been a
actually.
couple of months. You were in New York for a month. I was here.
I was
Uh,
in Europe too.
you were in Europe too. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where did you go? Greece?
I've been to Greece, I've been to Paris, I've been to a couple of other places as well.
Okay, nice, nice. Which city did you like the most out of Greece? You went to Mykonos, you went to Paris.
Yes, I like the Paris most actually.
Paris?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm a city guy. I like the Paris.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Paris is nice. Very, very nice architecture,
Yeah.
you know?
I'll agree with you. I agree
Yeah,
with
very nice architecture. I've never been to Greece, but the only thing with Paris, some areas are a little bit messy, I
you.
feel. But like if you go there in the daytime, you go around the city, you drive around. Did you go to Arc de Triomphe? The
Yes.
thing in the middle of
Yes.
the road? Yeah,
Yes.
that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Uh,
But
yeah,
again, I'm a city guy, right? I've been to
yeah.
New York. That is more scary as compared to the Paris, actually.
Right. Yeah, yeah.
The Manhattan and all these people around, you know.
Yeah, yeah, Manhattan. Yeah, yeah, of course. Of course. What's going on there? How's the real estate? How's the market in US right now?
It is better than Canada.
Yeah.
It's still money yet to be made there,
Yeah. Yeah.
and ease of doing business is better in US as compared to Canada.
Canada?
Yeah.
Makes
So
sense.
and there are so many lenders there, and it is easy to get the money there
Mm.
for financing. If you're putting 25% down payment, sometimes if you're putting 20% down payment,
Mm.
you can get the mortgage easily.
Easily compared to what's going on here in Canada.
Yes.
Mm. Yeah, that's something that we can definitely discuss. But obviously, what we're seeing right now in the market here is that appraisals are not coming in,
Mhm.
right? Whether people that booked condos a few years ago or whether people that booked detached homes in 2023, now when the property is ready and it's time for getting a mortgage, the appraisals are not coming in
Yeah.
and clients are not able to fill the gap.
Yeah. Yeah. Because I deal with a lot of mortgages,
Yeah.
and it is happening a lot. Appraisals are coming low,
Yeah.
which is very challenging for some of the clients. But today I'm happy. We got a discount, $35,000 discount for our client.
Yeah, with the builder. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I mean, we're trying to work with clients. It's a tough market for everyone. And we just went to an event a few days ago in Toronto
Mm.
where they were actually doing bidding on the condos.
Yes.
So what happened is that people booked these condos a few years back. Fast forward to today, the condo is ready. The appraisal is not coming in. And what the builders are doing is they're terminating the agreements. They have the client's deposit in hand and they're reselling them at a much lower price.
Yeah.
So there was a condo in this project
Mhm.
that we know was sold for $1 million.
Mm.
Someone put a bid for $500,000 and they got the
Yeah.
unit.
Yes. Yes. Which is very interesting. A lot of opportunities for the new people who have money right now.
Yeah, it's unfortunate for the people that did book, and we're trying to work with our clients, like all the other agents, but definitely for buyers that are sitting on the side that have cash flow, good time to monitor the market. I mean, we have a lot of pessimistic people that continue to say the market's going to go lower and lower. Who knows? We don't have a crystal ball, but a market to really watch, especially if you're a buyer, and see where things are going. I know you don't like hypotheticals, Austin, but before we get into a little bit more in detail, what is your projection? Now we're coming up to winter time. Where do you think we see the market going in the next
It is easy to
3 to 6
predict.
months?
Yeah, 3 to 6 months are most likely they are going to remain the same.
You think so?
Yeah, a little bit activity maybe if the interest rate goes more down, there
Yeah.
will be an activity because as we mentioned before, we have so many buyers in our database.
Yeah.
They are looking to buy, but because of the uncertainty, they are not making
Yeah.
any move, right?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah, for sure. And the prices are all down. Like in Oakville, Milton, the prices are down. Detached is down 30%. Towns are down 30%. Condos are obviously down. So, if someone is saying, are they getting a good deal? Is it the right time to buy? Well, that's a fact that the prices are down. are they going to keep going lower again? We don't have a crystal ball, right?
Yeah, but it is all subjective, right? People who wants to buy, they will buy.
Yeah.
People who have to sell, they will sell.
Yeah.
And
Well,
with the builders, the situation is very complicated.
Yeah.
If the appraisals are not coming good, some builders are easy. They are negotiating the price. They're reducing they're negotiating with the client. So it is all subjective. Some people are.
Yep.
Some builders are very
Yeah.
very strict even right now.
Yep.
They are not willing to negotiate, and some builders are.
Some builders are. Yeah, exactly. I think most builders are within reason, right? Because for them, they have, okay, we will help the client within reason, which might be 30, 40, 50K. But if the appraisal is coming $200,000, $300,000 less, based on my interactions with builders, they're not prepared to work with clients on that big amount, even as a VTB or a second mortgage.
Yeah.
So what is your opinion on that? I mean, do you think that is where do you shift? Do you have a remorse for the client in this market? Do you think clients should have been prepared, when they made these purchases for the worst case scenario? Obviously, I do think that clients, when you're buying it's a risk, right? But where do you see yourself in terms of the client, from the client perspective? Do you think builders should be working with the clients, or do you think it's
If I'm the builder, I'll work with the clients.
yeah.
I will try to negotiate, and everyone is losing money. In the end, the builders will lose money as well,
Yeah.
and credibility as well. The client will build a remorse against the builder in the future.
Yeah.
And for the long-term business, I think they should,
Yeah.
but it's all their business tactics. How they want to do it, it's up to them. We cannot tell them, how they should be doing it.
Yep.
But if I was a builder, I would have done the
We'll
same.
work. Yeah, we'll work with the clients.
I will work with them.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. And for myself, I mean, we've been out of the stream for the last few months just because Fridays sometimes are a tough night for us. Again, Asim was gone for a month. We wanted to come back on here and just connect with everyone and just kind of show our face. But not much has changed from the last time we went on the stream. Like Asim mentioned, it's kind of up and down. There is still negotiating power with all the builders on pre-construction projects, and obviously in the resale market, there's a lot of good deals. Well, I don't know, compared to where the prices were a year ago, you could say that there's good deals, but yeah, that's the market. It's been like that. We'll wait for the market report for September. I don't think it's out yet, has it?
It's not.
It's not out yet, right? Cool. And we've been kind of shifting our focus. We're all, again, heavily involved in pre-con, but we do have a few listings that came up, and we would like to share those listings.
Yeah,
with
tell
people.
about those listings, please.
Yeah, so we have two listings. I'm going to share my screen with you guys. Now, again, when it comes to pre-construction projects, reach out to us. Our contact is here. Asim's contact's there. And we can share with you guys all the pre-construction projects in Oakville, Milton, Burlington, all over GTA. But again, Milton, Oakville, Burlington are our core markets, and West GTA, are our core markets. So reach out to us if you guys are interested to see what pre-construction projects are currently ongoing. For resale, we do want to share two listings that we have. And I'll just share. The one listing we have is actually an amazing opportunity for a first-time home buyer. It's in Mississauga. Asim, do you want to explain it, or do you want me to explain it?
No, please go ahead.
Okay. So this listing is again, condo townhouse. I'm going to just share my screen, and you can see this is the virtual tour. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 washroom, 1,000 square feet condo townhouse. This is located very close to, as everyone knows, in Mississauga, that Ridgeway Plaza with all the food options. It's just 2 minutes from there. You can see this is the inside. So it's a great opportunity for a first-time home buyer, for a student, even a small family with maybe 1 or 2 kids. There are 2 bedrooms upstairs, and you can see they spent some good money in this house. Pot lights, hardwood flooring. There's carpet in the bedrooms, and there's 2 full washrooms on the second level, and there's a powder room on the main level. This is the master bedroom here with its own washroom. So, and you can see that it looks like a brand new unit. So this unit we have currently listed for $639. We're going to be doing an open house tomorrow from 2 to 4 p.m. Asim's going to be managing that open house, and also on Sunday from 2 to 4 p.m. And it's a great opportunity to come take a look. Again, for first-time home buyers. Asim, what do you think of this listing?
So if you are a first-time home buyer and your combined income is approximately 130, 140, we are giving the down payment assistance when it comes to this property, and you don't have to pay any down payment, and we'll get you this property. Kash, you want to add something?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, for anyone that is, again, a first-time home buyer, low down payment, like Asim mentioned, we're going to work with them. And the the sellers are very motivated to sell. Just showing you this video again, you can see that it's a beautiful unit. Again, 1,000 square feet. And if anyone's looking for more details on this opportunity, very close to transit, very close to Ridgeway Plaza. Air Mills Town Center is just 5 minutes from there. The highways, everything, it's just all in that vicinity. So, and schools are very good as well. Clarkson Secondary School and Garthwood are the main schools there.
Yeah, and how it's going to work, that you don't have to pay any down payment if your income is approximately 130, 140 per year. We will give the down payment and you will get the property. And how it's going to work, you can contact us and we're going to explain you in person. And you can reach either Kash or me, and I'll explain it to you.
Yeah. All right, we'll move on to our second listing. This listing is in Oakville. This is a beautiful resale detached home. It is around 3,100 square feet above grade. And it has a finished basement. So the total house, actually, I'll play it for you. It has 7 bedrooms. The whole house has 7 bedrooms. So it's 3,100 square feet above grade. It's about 1,200 square feet of finished space in the basement. Thousands of upgrades. You can see pot lights on the exterior. This is a very, very luxurious house. We currently have this house listed for 2.15. And you can see this is the family room. This is the great room, family room, I guess you can say. Hardwood flooring throughout the house. Metal pickets on the staircase. 9-foot and 10-foot ceilings. You can see that 24 by 24 tile, granite countertops, inbuilt appliances. It's a beautiful, beautiful house. And the dining room that we're going to show you actually has around 15 feet ceiling. So when you enter to the right side of the house, you have a beautiful dining space. I think it's going to come up right now. There it is. So you can see this is the dining space. Awesome. What do you think about this opportunity?
This is a very good house, and the client is motivated, as you mentioned before.
Yep.
And they bought a $3 million house nearby, and they are just trying to close that property. That's the reason they have to sell this one.
Right. Yeah, so you can see also the lot size is quite good. If I just pause the video and go back. Oh, sorry, guys. The backyard has around 58 feet width. So at the front of the house over here, it's around 47 feet. And then it actually extends to around 58 feet at the back. So tons of backyard space. Again, the house is fully upgraded. We're also doing an open house on this house tomorrow and Sunday. I'll be at this open house from 2 to 4 p.m. If anyone wants more details on this opportunity, feel free to reach out to us. This is a tremendous purchase for the resale. And again, the seller is motivated. So yeah, those are the 2 listings that we currently have, that we currently got in the last week. We can touch back on pre-construction in Oakville. Again, right now with pre-construction in Oakville, townhouses, 2-story townhouses are starting from $1 million. Detached houses, single car garage and double car garage are starting from, singles are starting from 1.3 million. Double car garage are starting from around 1.5. So the prices are down. The opportunity to get into such a prestigious community like Oakville, it has opened up a little bit, and again, builders are willing to negotiate. We have a number of builder projects that we currently have. It's very hard to share everything by email. So what we would advise for clients, Asim, what do we advise them to do if they want to get more information?
Yeah, please reach out to us, and we can meet in person, or maybe we can have a Zoom meeting. And we have an in-house mortgage team. I work in the mortgages. I can better explain you the numbers. And if you're looking to do the pre-approval, you can reach out to me, and I can help you with that.
Yeah. Great. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the stream. Just wanted to, again, come on the stream, touch base with you guys, share the listings. If anyone has any questions, reach out to us. Again, our projection on the market is that, I don't think we're going to see any real recovery until maybe, my projections, I don't think we're going to see any real recovery until spring, summer of 26. There has been a rate drop. When is the next rate drop coming, Asim? October?
Yes.
This month, right?
Yes.
And then I think we have another one in December, I believe.
Yes.
So, monitor the market, guys. Look at the rate drops. See what's going on with the economy. And yeah, until then, if anyone has any questions, reach out to us. My number is 647-628-4025.
And my number is 647-617-4201. Please reach out.